Hi guys, my name's Alyssa and I just wanted to make this quick video pretty much to show you guys the new travel system that I just got. It's the Adorra 5-in-1 modular travel system. If you guys are anything like me and super indecisive, you'll spend like months and just hours and hours on the computer trying to figure out what's the best option. So yeah, I just got this in the mail yesterday as a gift and I'm super excited to open it up and just show you guys how it looks. I haven't even looked at it myself, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video and it helps you on your journey to decision making. Okay, so let me get this one out.
That's a nice stroller, Mommy.
Yeah, oh, looks really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a closer look.
Okay.
In a
Mommy,
second.
I'm gonna put your phone right
This
here.
is what it looks like. Oh, okay, so this is just the car seat base right here. This is how it comes. I literally just took it out like that. Yeah, so let's see how it comes off. There's something in the back maybe. Let me see. Oh yeah, there is. So this thing,
Can we help there? Do you need help there?
Okay, so this is what the car seat looks like. I really love it. It's so cute and adorable. And you could use this for boy or girl. Okay, so I just reclined it to the lowest position right now. And I'm going to put it in carriage mode. So there's like two little hooks under here. You just remove. Should be able to pull it up, I think. Hold on. Okay. So they're just tucked in under there. It's pretty cool. I just have to remember how to do it. It'll be a pro in no time. I don't know where this one goes. Oh, it goes in there. I don't know. Okay, so that's how it looks when it's in carriage mode. So you could pretty much you can have your baby in here once you just lift up the things from underneath like this, and it could kind of be like a little bassinet. So that's another reason why I picked this, because I thought that was really awesome. Okay, so right now I have the stroller set up, just regular, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to put it in, just how simple it is. So here's the adapters. One goes in there. One goes in there. And then this is the car seat. It just easily clicks in, and you can only have it facing towards you, not the other way, which is fine. Clicks in easily. There you go. This is how it looks. Super cute. And then this has the different positions. So 1, 2, 3. All right. So to take this one out, you actually don't grab it from the back. But you do these two little buttons right here and lift it up. All right. So then if you want to put in the other one, you just go ahead and take out the adapters. My other stroller didn't have adapters, but honestly, I don't mind it. I don't think it's a big deal. Just keep it in there. So right now I have the little bassinet ones up. You could take that down if you want. I just set it up, so I'm going to leave it that way. I got one side. Okay, so there you go. Could either go this way. I have this on. You could take it off if you want. It's like that. It has some breathable little window right there. Put it back. So this is how it would be if it was like in bassinet mode. Pretty much. It would be like that. And then it's closed right here so your baby can go ahead and lay, you know, regular. So if I wanted to go ahead and take it out of bassinet mode, I would just close this up, tuck that in there, button it. Same thing to this side. Just go ahead and close the flaps and see the rest of it. Alright. Okay. So with these two buttons right here, you could go ahead and lower it so it's down like that. I'm gonna lift this up to the full like that. Okay. And then lastly, just going to lift it up so it's just two clickers right here. Turn it around. Okay. There you go. I really like this stroller a lot. I like how it has like, I'll show you a little bit more details right now. So I wanted to just show you guys the wheels really quickly. They're not rubber. So they're more like a plastic, but it's not like a cheap plastic. It's actually really good. I just wanted to show you that because that was something when I was looking for strollers, I felt like nobody ever showed, and that was a big thing for me. So the wheels are, I really like the quality of them. Okay, so also you can see down here it has a nice spacious basket. You could fit a ton of stuff in there, honestly. Yeah, so it's another good thing. Has a little cup holder right here that it came with. So this is the little mesh area that it has there. And then it has a nice leather handling right here, so you're able to hold it comfortably. I really like that. It feels really nice, very sleek, feels fancy, honestly, which, you know, that's what you want. Something that's going to be little Incredibles logo. Okay.
I love you most.
Me too. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the whole stroller right there. I really like this stroller. This is the more like fancier one that I have. Like I said, I did have the Graco modes before, so I haven't really got to use it yet, but from what I could tell, everything was pretty simple to put together. I love how you could do the bassinet mode. That's pretty much like what sold me on this as well. Yeah, and also this is for use up to 50 pounds. So my daughter's around like 42 pounds. She's 4 years old. And you want to try it out? Okay. Wow.
I'm not a baby.
You're not a baby. This is for kids too. I just wanted to see how it fit, okay? Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna like really work for if you have like a 4-year-old. She's about like 40 inches tall. Hold on, let me get a video of you. Okay, so this is my 4-year-old, Elena. Say hi, Elena. She's trying it out for her baby brother. She's, how old are you, Elena? 4 years old. Yeah, so she's 4 years old. She's a little over 40 pounds. So the weight limit says it could go up to 50. So I'm not worried about having her in here. But as you can see, she's pretty tall. Her head's like over the top of it. So 40 inches. So this is how it looks with her in it. But yeah, this is the stroller. See, her feet go off of it too. Okay. Alright guys, so I hope you liked my video. I hope it kind of gave you some insight. So all you moms, dads out there, first time, or you know, maybe you just want to get something a little bit fancier for yourself. I hope that this can help you a lot in your decision. I did get this from All Be Baby. So this was a website that my boyfriend's sister actually referred me to. I know usually the one that I was looking at, they have a tan one. That one runs around like $600 for the travel system as well. That's, you know, a little more pricey, but when I went on that website, I did see this Incredibles one, which I thought was super awesome. I love Disney, I love the Incredibles. So yeah, it all worked out well. I think we got it for under $300 on that site. So if you guys want to check out that site, you know, go ahead and feel free to. And thank you for watching my video. Bye. We'll make another video when the baby comes. So due date is July 14th. So right now I'm 34 weeks. So yeah, to be continued.